First things first, why don't you hit that subscribe button followed by the bell icon, then go play our giveaway. Hi guys, this is Sulabh from Gadget Bridge, and today we are going to unbox the Tiktronix Wireless Earbuds. These are two wireless earbuds, so let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. That is the Tiktronix True Wireless Earbuds box in front of us. Nothing unusual about the box. The branding can be found on the top and the sides of the white box. The rear has a couple of specifications written on it, which I will take you through in a moment. First, let's quickly unbox the device and take you through the contents inside. As soon as you open the box, you find a large charging case. Yes, since these are wireless earplugs, these come with a separate charging case where you can put them to charge anytime. Next to the charging case are the actual earbuds that easily fit inside the charging case. They are magnetic, so they snap into place very easily within the case. Next layer of the box has the usual micro USB charging cable, which of course charges the case, which in turn charges the earplugs. Also, here you will find an extra pair of ear tips, which is a good thing as different people have different ear cavities. Over that, the company has given a user guide inside in case you get stuck somewhere while connecting them to your smartphone. Now talking about the specs of these wireless earphones, they can connect with iOS as well as Android devices using Bluetooth. Each earplug has a 70 mAh battery inside, and the charging case has an additional 450 mAh battery inside too, which gives you an overall playback time of about 3 hours. The case and the earplugs are available in two colors, the black for the men and the pink for the ladies. The price is ₹2499 and these are available on Indian e-commerce stores. I'm going to leave a link in the description for your convenience. You do not need to be a rocket scientist to set them up. One can easily pair them using Bluetooth with any smartphone. The Bluetooth range on these headphones is 10 meters and we try to give it a hear and check the distance. Initial impressions of the device are not bad. The bass is there, but don't expect it to be thumpy. Rest everything seems to be in order. Voice clarity is good and at just 6 grams a piece, they are comfortable to wear. Users can also make voice calls using these, as there is a hands-free function available on them. The case features a battery status indicator, so you will always know how much battery is left and when to charge it. Stay tuned as we will bring you its full review on gadgetbridge.com. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Tiktronix True Wireless Earbuds. If you did like the video, hit that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also, come play our giveaway on our Instagram and Twitter channels. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.